Welcome to my channel. 8 things to remember before boarding a ship. Number 1. Stay fit and healthy. Make sure you are physically and mentally fit before boarding a ship. If you are suffering from any kind of health issue, don't go to the ship before getting it cured. Remember that there is no specialized medical assistance at the ship, thus you have to be extra careful as far as your health is concerned. So, if you are required to carry any kind of medicine at the ship, you must take advice from a doctor and prescription to carry with you. Number 2. You should know local conditions and laws. Different countries have different laws and it is imperative to follow all the rules and regulations under those laws. For example, pirated DVDs are not allowed at Singapore airport, movies, photographs with explicit content are banned in Gulf countries. These are just a few of the several lesser-known laws of different countries around their world. Inquire about the presence of any such law in the countries you are about to visit to avoid trouble on foreign land. Number 3. Don't just attend training courses, get actively involved. Training courses and seminars are conducted by companies to make sure that seafarers are thoroughly prepared before joining a ship. Every person joining a ship should pay extra attention to IICL courses and safety training sessions. A note that extensive information provided during such sessions is not made available again during the whole tenure of one's sailing contract. It is therefore important that a seafarer absorbs and retains maximum knowledge imparted during those sessions to increase his or her level of personal safety on ships. Number 4. Anti-piracy training need of the hour. Piracy at sea is at its all-time high. With hundreds of piracy cases reported every year, the issue has become a matter of grave concern. If the ship you are about to join has its route through one of the piracy-sensitive areas, it is imperative that you make yourself aware of ways to tackle pirates at the sea. In case the company doesn't provide any information, one should personally approach the management of the company and request to arrange for an anti-piracy training course or to provide guidelines and knowledge for dealing with such adverse situations. Number 5. Know the route of your ship. Ask your company about the shipping routes and ports which the newly assigned ship will be visiting during its voyage. This is to get prepared for any kind of adverse weather conditions. For example, you would be required to carry appropriate weather protective gear to save yourself from fierce cold or scorching heat. The ship is liable to provide all personal protective equipment, PPE, as soon as you board a ship. However, one must carry important weather protecting gears such as parka, muffler etc. to the ships. Number 6. Keep valuables at home. Leave all those things, which you would hate to lose, at home. There are high chances of losing valuable things while traveling or on board ships. Stealing on ships is a common thing, especially when the ship is at port. Number 7. Get the necessary vaccination and medical insurance. Check your personal medical insurance papers and get all the necessary vaccinations before boarding a ship. If you have to carry medicines, get the necessary prescriptions, as several countries do not allow carrying medicines without prescriptions. Though a company would cover all the medical expenses in case of an accident or ailment, it is always advisable to have your own personal medical insurance to avoid any kind of delay in medical procedures. Number 8. Know all the points to stay healthy on ships. Personal safety always starts with a healthy body. Few issues are not addressed during safety training and seminars conducted before joining a vessel. A seafarer should gather knowledge on these issues before boarding a ship. Working on a ship means dealing with adverse climate conditions and hostile working environments. To survive through tough working surroundings, one must stay healthy and fit. Find out how to keep your mind and body healthy on. Remember, ship is like a floating factory full of a risk. Make sure you are well prepared before boarding it. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.